What if someone couldn't attend the funeral, but still didn't miss a single moment? They could see it, hear it, and be part of it in real time, no matter where they are. Sounds like magic, but it's not. Welcome to the Funeral Channel Network, brought to you by the Funeral Program site, your trusted resource for funeral planning, memorial products, and meaningful tributes. Today, we're walking you through exactly how to live stream a funeral service so no one has to miss that final goodbye. Whether loved ones can't travel, are out of state, or simply need a private way to attend, live streaming makes it possible to share the moment in real time. A funeral service live stream is a real-time video broadcast of a funeral or memorial service over the internet. It allows people to watch the service live from their phone, computer, or tablet, no matter where they are in the world. Some live streams are public, while others are private and shared only through a secure link. It's a simple but powerful way to bring everyone together, even when they can't be physically present. Funeral live streaming has become more common and more meaningful than ever. It's especially helpful for large families, health concerns, or unexpected situations. It gives family and friends a way to take part, share their goodbyes, and stay connected, especially when they can't attend in person. And the best part? It creates a recording that can be revisited later. Let's start with the basics. You don't need expensive equipment to live stream a funeral. Here's what you'll need: a smartphone, tablet, or camera, a stable internet connection, Wi-Fi or hotspot, a tripod or steady surface, and a streaming platform. Popular platforms include YouTube, Facebook Live, Zoom, or a private memorial website. Here's a quick tutorial if you're using YouTube. First, log into your YouTube account and click the Create button. Then select Go Live. You may need to enable live streaming ahead of time. It can take up to 24 hours the first time. So if this is your first live stream, make sure you give enough time for the setup before the funeral service begins. Next, enter your title, something like Funeral Service for, and set your privacy to public, unlisted, or private depending on who you want to view it. If you're using a phone, you can go live directly from the YouTube app. Just tap Create, then Go Live, and you're ready to start. Position your camera, check your audio, and when you're ready, tap Go Live. Once it starts, simply let it run throughout the service. If YouTube doesn't feel right, you still have options. Facebook Live is great for quick sharing. Zoom allows for more interaction. And private memorial websites offer a secure, distraction-free experience. Choose what works best for your situation. Before the service begins, do a test run. Check your internet signal. Test your audio. This is critical. Make sure your camera angle captures the podium or main area, and reduce background noise as much as possible. Place the camera at eye level and keep it steady. Also, start the stream a few minutes early so viewers have time to join. Once the service begins, let the stream run naturally. Avoid constant adjustments. Keep the focus on the ceremony, and if possible, have someone monitor the stream in case anything needs attention. After the service, give viewers a moment before ending the stream. Then save the recording to share it later. This becomes a lasting digital memory for the family and friends. Live streaming a funeral doesn't have to be complicated. With just a few simple steps, you can make sure no one misses that special moment. For more guidance on funeral planning, memorial ideas, and digital tributes, visit the Funeral Program site and be sure to subscribe for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Take care and bye for now.